Okay guys,
No guys, don't want to go.
हमारी वेकेशन वैसे काफी क्लोज है.
वाले दिन खत्म होने वाले हैं.
Yeah, हमारे today we are going Gulmarg. Then we'll go Pahalgam. That's where we are staying. We're checking out from here today. And it's so cold. Update.
We are on our way to our boots and coats.
ये आपको पूरा घुमाएगा बोलेगा हाँ 14 किलो पैदल तो 600 मीटर ही है.
It's again snowy outside. It's like -1 degree right now.
Yeah.
ये रीजनेबल रेट रखे बात नहीं.
Okay, so we rented our coat and boots. Okay, and and there are a lot of people here to take you to the gondola ride, but like you can legit just walk and go there. Apart from that, look at the place. The place is so good. Mummy feels like, and she looks like a panda. And yeah, it's actually hot right now. I don't feel like wearing this much of jackets, but we are going through phase 1 and phase 2 of Gulmarg. I mean, the gondola ride. That's why we are going to, need these many boots and jackets.
Yeah.
नहीं मम्मी ऐसे पलटा दे. देखो अभी ऐसे चढ़ी नजारे देखो. भाई नीचे गिरा नीचे गिरा
हिल गया.
भाई गिरा गई ऐसे
Sigma cabins. Sigma boots.
Look at the view.
Woo! Take photo.
मेन है सेकंड फेज.
Phase 1.
पहले फेज 2 में चलेंगे फोटो करके आए फिर देखो लोग जा रहे हैं ना. सेम है.
Okay, so we'll go phase 2 first because phase 2 is at a even higher altitude. So we'll go enjoy there and we'll come back down to phase 1 and we'll then enjoy here. Good. The highest gondola in the world.
Yeah, you didn't know that?
Damn. Okay.
So guys, we are in the phase 2 now, which is really high.
13,400 feet.
Oh, you
Let's
remember
go.
that?
Yes.
So it's going to be really cold up there. So phase 2.
Phase 1.
अब क्या हम लोग उल्टा बैठे हैं ना.
Yes. And we were Seedha. Phase 2 it is.
Phase 2, yeah. We're at the peak of the mountain.
गिर कर यहाँ पे चल रहा है, but it's fun. गिरोगी गिरोगी, ज्यादा कुछ नहीं होएगा। गिरोगी पिक्चर
तीनों नीचे ले सकते हैं।
पहाड़ वाली।
That's very so exciting.
How did
ओके चलो दीदी के साथ नीचे आने की।
सारी पिक्चर सुंदर सुंदर।
मम्मी के साथ कब कपल
चलो मेरी खींचो। तू किधर फन आउच। लुक लुक बिहाइंड यू। लो बेटा तुम लो इधर फोन खींचो। इधर फोन गिर जाएगा। पापा पोज कर रहे हैं इन दोनों। देखो थ्रो इट थ्रो इट। Guys, I did snow.
Look, say over here. That's soft.
Snow.
Snow.
Snow. Snow. यहाँ पे soft snow है. Snow.
Snow. मम्मी यहाँ से करो। मम्मी मैंने अकेले टिक कर दी है।
बिल्कुल नहीं सरक रहा है। ये देखो।
था बहुत ठंडा है इधर। Maggie looks good, but we ate Maggie today. Look at the view. Now we are going down from phase 2 to phase 1.
ऑक्सीजन कम है। सांस लेने में चक्कर आता है। नीचे वाले में ठीक है।
Be like this.
जरा सा
Phase 2. And ये देखो।
Hi,
getting-
we reached phase 1 now. And like people, like there's not so much ice over here, but then look over there.
ये तुम्हें भी चाहिए।
Huh?
So like phase 1 has all the activities, you know, like for snow. Oh my god, I can't speak because phase 2 it's like at a higher altitude, yeah, so you can't really, you have oxygen shortage there when you work and when you like play with the snow. Apart from that, phase 1 has a lot of activities, but we did all of them yesterday in Sonmarg, so we don't want to do any of them here. But the place is not any less beautiful. Kashmir is itself so pretty. I can't. It's like dream come true. Yes. It was good. Now we're just sitting and resting at phase 1 and then we'll probably leave for our hotel. Look at the frozen water. I love the place so much. I want to break this, but I won't. And I'll go up.
Didi. Made a long time ago.
Now we are going to phase 0.
So we're going back, and after that we have to go to our hotel.
Oh my God,
that was
Very much.
You enjoyed?
Yes.
No.
Okay.
Fast.
कौन आएगा?
Done, done.
आपके बेबी होंगे जब
Done. Frozen. So we are done with gondola ride. That's the main activity in Gulmarg. ये लो हमारी chief guest.
I ate Papa Baby.
Even I ate. Oh my god. People are doing activity over here as well. There are solar panels over here. Interesting. Apart from that, now we are back. I mean, like, now we are going back home. And yeah. Look at the frozen water. The thing beside me is frozen water. And the trees. I want to chop them off and take them as a Christmas tree. No, I'm just kidding. They suit
so many
and
solar
they
panels.
fit there. Okay. I can't breathe. It's difficult to breathe with so much of things on. Okay, my hands are shivering. Okay, we'll talk to you probably when we go home. I mean hotel. You know, यहाँ पर like randomly बीच में huts हैं, which is for like rent. You know, मतलब जैसे I'll show this one. There's one over here. Before that, look at the view. I can keep showing the view, but look at that hut. Then there are like see? Main reception, 2 BHK, all that there. But it's like in the middle of the forest, in between the snow and everything. Interesting. गुलमार्ग ये है यहाँ की हालत. Look at the water frozen over there. Now people are sliding on it. Everything is frozen only. I'm so tired. We walked all the way from there to यहाँ, like you know, from the gate till here. We're so tired.
But then we went out there, top of the
Yeah, we went on top of the mountain, which is not even seen right now. But
because of the clouds.
yes. Anyways,
That was all for day 4.
day 3.
Day 3. Wait, we still need to go to the hotel room.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll show you the hotel room.
हमने अपने लिए खाली करवा के खिंचवा ली पिक्चर. आई बोतल गुलमार्ग. क्या होटल है.
खिड़की खोलो सामने से अगर वो कश्मीर
Our hotel is so near to the place we just, I mean Gandora.
Yep.
And it's showing the time of every country.
Yeah. USA, UAE, India.
Is that Bill Gates?
That is Bill Gates.
Bill Gates came to this hotel. That's why it's so sophisticated.
In 2006. In 2006, bro. None of us were born. Bahar dekho.
wow.
So this is the entrance. And then
Okay, let's see what we.
look at the view. I'll show you the view closely, but before that, the place is so.
Sophisticated.
And we are here for one day only.
Like.
Because nothing else. You just stay here. If it is a snow, then you would have. ये क्या है? What is this?
कहाँ
Monkeys? No.
हाँ
और बड़े वाले चूहे हैं. No,
Oh.
monkeys.
Monkeys, I think. Wow. They've given some biscuits and that's kahwa, I think.
Yeah, again the same, like really honey type drink. It's
But the view, I'm still not over the view. Yeah, we've gotten a proper good view.
we have went
for
to
the
so
first
many
time.
hotels and we got we never got this good view. We went to so many hotels.
हम लोग पानी सुबह से लेते हैं.
The other view was normal, okay, but this view, too good.
Socks and shoes.
मेरा
This
भी
is
3
so
दिन में
good.
धूप निकली है. कपड़ा गीला डालो सब सूख गया. यही से.
ए निकालो पेरिस वाले सामान खुला है सब
कपड़ा टांगो क्योंकि ठंडी में कपड़े नहीं सूख रहे हैं. ये लिए अच्छी है, not too sweet.
वो तो एकदम चीनी का सेव
Look at the Bandar family. They're so furry, man. Look at the view.
Want some more?
मस्त व्यू पहली बार मिला उधर भी।
इतना अच्छा व्यू।
वही रखा रहता तो कहाँ ले आ रही हो?
हमने मैसी कर दिया है लाइक 2 मिनट में, बट द व्यू। हम कपड़े सुखा रहे हैं क्योंकि पिछले 4 दिन से कपड़े सो क्यूट, सो क्यूट। कपड़े सूख नहीं रहे हैं इसलिए वी आर सुखाएंगे कपड़े ओवर हियर। तदा क्रिसमस ट्री, heater.
You just finished 2 bottles of water, Papa.
So we all just slept and woke up.
But I did not.
But it's good. It was a comfy sleep.
It's such a beautiful hotel.
There were so many monkeys here. They all went. Okay, time to put the curtains because it's night. No, wait, we'll put that one because people.
People come from there also.
Yeah, but this is first. Yeah. It's so cold. I want heater again.
वो वाला लगाओ, बंद।
यहाँ चाय बन रही है, शुगर फ्री ये सब के साथ।
You can see here heater. There heater.
पोछे पड़ी, कोई चीज पोछे कर दो।
आज पापा ने चाय बनाई।
मिल्क पियो?
हमारा रूम इतना मेस हो गया है, but nothing beats the architecture and everything.
Yeah, bro.
जमीन के ना दिखाओ।
It's so like.
Dreamy.
Yeah. It feels like I'm in a sleep, but I'm not.
बुक्कड़ बुक्कड़ है हम। आओ।
नमक दो वासी।
Vegetarian manchao soup. So good. This is my second bowl. Second bowl. Second bowl. Still stuck. खाते वीडियो बना दिया। अब
I want to try this. It looks spicy.
that's in Spanish pulao.
Oh shit, I forgot to bring a chapati. No.
जब तो जिस कहें ट्राई तो उसके बाद ट्राई करते हैं, नो नहीं करते।
How am I supposed to take a bite?
आज खिलाएगा माने नहीं पियो।
ग्रीन ना खाती क्या? मेरा तो खा।
Yes. What texture it gives me?
शाही टुकड़ा। मैं तो स्वीट नहीं खाती। नो आई डोंट थिंक सो। ओके, डिनर डन। रियली बनाते रह गए हम लोग। ओके, एनीवेज dinner was so good, so good. Shahi tukda, I tried it for the first time. Oops, and it was so good.
रेड लाइट देगी तब बनाना।
एक्चुअली हम लोग हिल पे है ना, तो लाइट का अप एंड डाउन लगाई है। आप अभी भूत लग रहे हो, स्कैरी सेंटा। Hey guys, it is currently -1 degree Celsius over here,
So cold.
and it's so cold. We came out for a walk
after dinner.
Yeah, and they're so good at the dinner. They made the dinner like 1 hour before the actual time, and it's -1.
This is really supposed to be back my.
मम्मी सांप की तरह लटकाई है। हाँ। पापा ने सारी लाइट बंद कर दी, एक नहीं मिल रही है बंद होने की, सब का स्विच मिल गया।
नहीं ऐसा है ना, ओ इसका स्विच यहीं कहीं है। या नहीं हमने
ढूंढ रहे हैं।
यहाँ तो टीवी का है।